It's just gutters. What's the big deal? Well, you might want to rethink that. Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about gutters, the importance of maintaining your gutters and why it's so important, because if you don't maintain them, well, they can actually cause quite a few problems for your roof, and most of all, it can be quite costly. Here's the thing, your gutters are responsible for water management. Basically, when it rains or snow melts off of your roof, the water goes into your gutters and the gutters channel that water away from your home and away from your roof. And there's a reason why gutters are important. Having any type of water damage on your roof can seriously lead to big problems, not just for your roof, but actually for your home too. So not just the exterior, but also the interior. When gutters and downspouts are blocked with leaves and debris, or they're old and broken, the water does not drain properly. And as I mentioned before, so if water doesn't drain properly, what it does essentially, it creates damage not just in your interior, but of course on the exterior. So think about it. If the water doesn't flow properly, what happens? It can actually overflow and the water can go back into your roof. And over time, what ends up happening is that the water can actually build mold or rot on your roof decking. And what I mean by build, I literally mean build, because mold grows. So if you don't notice it in time, it can not just affect a partial part of your roof, but it can actually spread. And obviously, when you have to repair your roof, it won't end up just being a small repair. It might end up being like you have to repair the entire roof deck. Not only that, but what can end up happening is that now that your roof deck is damaged, well, now you are prone to roof leaks. And that means that water now can come into your home. And this is damaging your ceiling, the paint, possibly your electrical system, maybe the floor. All sorts of damage can happen. But even worse, now that you have mold on your roof deck, it spreads not just onto your roof, but inside your home. And the worst part of all of this is that all these issues could have been prevented if you simply just maintain your gutters. So why do gutters get blocked? Blockages are caused by a mixture of falling debris, such as dirt, twigs, leaf, and moss. And of course, before you know it, your downpipe is completely blocked with all of this debris and water no longer can flow through. How do I know if my gutters are clogged? Well, one of the things that you can do is go outside and scan your gutters. And one of the things that you can notice is if there is any debris peeping over your gutters. And if it's raining, then water is spilling over the gutters. Also, when was the last time you cleaned your gutters? If it's been a minute, well, then you should probably clean those gutters, because there is a high chance that there is some buildup of debris in there. And the other thing you want to look out for is leaking and sagging gutters. How do I get my gutters clean? Of course, you can do it yourself, but for obvious safety reasons, we do not recommend that. It's not worth an accident. And I'm sure we've all heard of somebody trying to do it themselves, and we all know how that one goes. Listen, it's totally worth it for you to call a handyman or, of course, a roofing company to come and do that for you. Now, how often should I get my gutters cleaned? So this really actually does depend on the type of climate that you live in. If you have a lot of overhanging trees, aggressive wall climbing plants, north-facing roof, which means you can actually grow a lot of moss on that roof. In this case, regular checkups are obviously recommended. But typically, you want to clean them out at least twice a year. Now, here's the other thing. If you live in a snowy climate, you actually want to prevent ice dams. So ice dam forms when snow on a roof melts and runs into your gutters. And of course, because it's cold, this water freezes. And this causes the formation of ice dams, which of course stop proper drainage. Ice dams can actually cause water to collect under shingles. This actually moves moisture and it can actually damage the roof, the fascia, and of course the soffits. Icicles can also form, which of course can add additional damage. Simply put, the gutters cannot withstand the weight. This can lead to the gutters detaching from the roof and of course damaging the gutters themselves and the fascia. In conclusion, ultimately, you want to prevent unexpected and expensive repairs. There are so many problems that can set in when gutters are not maintained, especially over an extended period of time. So unfortunately, if your gutters have been neglected, your roof may not just need a small repair, but it can literally lead to a much bigger, more costly repair. Gutters can cause all sorts of problems and all sorts of damages to your roof, like I've just mentioned throughout this video. And at the end of the day, it could just simply be prevented if you just maintain them, clean them out once in a while, and of course, keep an eye out for any of the possible signs that your gutters are damaged. So once again, go outside, check your gutters, just make sure that you don't notice any issues. And as I said, just call a roofer or a handyman once or twice a year to come out and clean them out for you. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informational. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like us to come out and clean your gutters, well, link in the description box below, or you can go to our website. And also don't forget, we do solar and all other things to do with your roof. So, just give us a call. Have a good day.